Freelancing. 1. Freelancing is a way to work independently rather than being tied to a single employer. 2. Freelancers typically work on a project-by-project basis and are not considered permanent employees of the companies they work for. 3. Freelancing can be done in a variety of fields, including writing, graphic design, programming, and consulting. 4. One of the benefits of freelancing is the ability to set your own schedule and work from anywhere. 5. Another benefit is the potential for higher pay, as freelancers often charge higher rates than traditional employees. 6. However, freelancing also has its downsides, including lack of job security and difficulty in finding consistent work. 7. To be successful as a freelancer, it is important to market yourself effectively and build a strong network of clients. 8. Freelancers should also be prepared to handle their own taxes and benefits, as they are not typically provided by employers. 9. In recent years, there has been a growing trend of companies hiring freelancers instead of traditional employees, driven in part by the flexibility and cost savings they offer. 10. Freelancing can be a great option for those who value independence and the ability to work on a variety of projects, but it is important to carefully weigh the pros and cons before making the decision to pursue it.